Are you considering maybe just not filing taxes this year? Here is what would happen to you. I get it. I get it. I get the sentiment. But if you're one of those goobers that's on the defund the IRS train and you want to protest by not filing your taxes, do you think there's any risk to you? Here's just one example of what the consequences could look like if you fail to file and pay taxes. First of all, let's just say maybe the IRS owes you a refund. Well, there is something called the statute of limitations. And if you do not ask for that refund within the appropriate time period, then IRS does not have to give you your money. So it's absolutely foolish if the IRS owes you a refund to not file your taxes. That's number one. Number two, if you just don't file your taxes because you think it's break even or you're going to owe a little bit, would IRS come knocking at your door? I don't think so. I certainly cannot advocate any illegal action on your part, which what is illegal here is not filing and paying your taxes. But let's just think about this. If you don't file your taxes for a series of years, do you think IRS would want to talk to you? I have heard of people, and I have talked to people who they break the law and do not file or pay taxes. Again, I can't advocate it. For some reason, they are able to slip under the radar. But if and when they get caught, they have a major, major problem. And if you don't believe me, look at some very popular people, such as Hunter Biden and Wesley Snipes. I have an article linked in description. Wesley Snipes did not file his taxes for a period of 3 years, and IRS felt that he owed $7 million. So what did they do? They came after him. And when they came after him, they put him in jail. Hunter Biden, I think the jury's still out. Hunter Biden has definitely been in the court system, and he's had to hire lawyers and accountants and spend all kinds of money. Hunter Biden is certainly in trouble for not doing his American duty. If your income is below a certain level, which is, it's called the standard deduction, then arguably you might not have to file. So if you're just like a high school kid and you make a couple few $1,000s a year, you probably don't have to file. But anyone that has income north of the standard deduction, you need to file. And you need to take credit for the income that you produced and the taxes that you paid in and figure it out. See whether the IRS owes you or whether you owe them. For daily IRS updates, tax tips, and everything small business, mash that like button, turn on that notification bell, share with your friends or your business associates. You got comments? Drop them down below. And of course, follow for more. And if you or someone you know are looking to save thousands of dollars every year on your taxes, head over to myfavoritecpa.com to learn the right and legal way to save the maximum amount of tax.